So the other day, me and Glenn went to the beach. I figured I'd just show a few clips of what we were experiencing, the time we had, and yeah, Glenn, even though he did put on suntan lotion or whatever, sun blocker, after he went in the water, of course, it washed all off, and I guess he wasn't prepared for all that. So
Oh
he's.
no, I put it on well before I was in the water. I was.
Say that again.
Yeah, well, we were outside like the whole day, so yeah, you see.
Look at him.
Well, you do have to reapply. I mean, it's not like.
Yeah, but you only applied when you before you got in the water. You never reapplied after you got it.
That's my point. You have to reapply.
Look,
you just said it all washed off. If it all washed off, I would be crispy. I'm not crispy.
He's red. I hope you all can see that color.
He wishes I was crispy because he likes his meats extra crispy, you know.
No, that ain't how it is. But yeah, he did get a little red, and he does have tan. But we can't show you that tan line. We don't want to show the tan line. That's exposing too much. So watch the clips and enjoy. Today we are at the beach. So today we're at the beach. Waves are big. Glenn's been knocking around a little. Glenn's sitting here. He doesn't like the water anymore. Say hi to the camera, Glenn. He's been wiped out a couple of times, so he decided to just sit on the beach now. Me, I just got in 1 quick second, that was enough. Big whale. Wipe out. I give no warning. I give no warning. Show your true attempts. Let's see you get past the big crashers.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
Not gonna happen?
That will happen.
Where's your surfboard? Small. Nobody on it. How's that water, Glenn?
What?
I thought I was gonna lose you for a second.